Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Nicole here from my Pandora Charmed Life. This is not a normal intro video that I would normally do, but I'm really excited to get this filmed before my light goes away. So this video will be about the O Pendant. So many of you have asked to see the O Pendant up close and personal, and so we're going to do that as well as do a design with me video. But more importantly, this video is going to host the giveaway for reaching the 9,500 subscribers goal on my YouTube channel. So thank you guys so much. You guys, it's crazy. Look at the bracelet. We started this journey together at 3,000 subscribers, and now there's pretty much only room for one more charm. So yeah, sorry for the funky intro, and it's probably all wiggly jiggly, but stay tuned to see how you can enter to win the Inspirational Stars Dangle. And I just wanted to tell you guys thank you so very much for all your support. I appreciate every single one of you, and I can't believe we're almost to 10,000. That is crazy. My mind is blown. Holy cow. But let's take a look at the O Pendant. Here is currently how I have my O Pendant designed. This one has two of the new mini Muranos that are available in some countries. They were a birthday gift from a dear friend of mine. Thank you so much, Queen Bee, for these awesome mini Muranos. And then a birthday present from my co-workers was this little dangle with the little fox and friends. And on the back says, so we can be different and still be kind. And I just love this combo together with the blues. But let's get a close-up look at this O Pendant. I'm going to take the chain off. Here's the O Pendant. The O Pendants do not come with a chain as far as I know. And when you look up here, you have this little heart, which is actually kind of the little button to open it. And on the back, you have Pandora written on there like you would on a clasp. And then this size, you guys, is a medium. I feel like the small was a little too small and the large a little too large. So I'm really happy with the medium size. To open the O Pendant, you just push in on the little heart and this comes out. So you have a little notch in there. To close it, I do the same thing. I push the little heart and I get that back in, and then it's secured in there. Go ahead and take off all the charms so you can see how this opens. Okay, if you take a close-up look at the base of this O Pendant, you can see where these two pieces come together to open and close. There you have it. There's a close-up look at the O Pendant, but I do want to play with a few designs with you guys and then try some other brands on here as well. So this is kind of going to be a design with me. We'll take a look at the very first design that I did. The first design I ever used was this Encased in Love charm. Where is it? My little ballerina charm that reminds me of my little princess. And then the Open Works Queen charm. So this was the first O Pendant design that I did. I really like this look too. This was actually my favorite look. And there's not like a front or back. I think it just depends on what you want to show. I love the little heart, so I always have this be like the front of my O Pendant. Now, something that I've been really excited to play with is to put together my holiday set from Disneyland, to put that on here to see how that would look on the O Pendant. I just feel like it's gonna look perfect. So let's just take a look here and see. Oh yeah, this is an awesome look. I love this. I'm gonna have to do this for Christmas actually, which means I'm gonna have to redo my bangle. And again, this is the one that matches my nail polish so perfectly. Okay, I'm already noticing they're pretty much sitting the way I want them to sit, right? They're not falling that way. They are pretty much staying as is. Let's just pretend if I move around, where's it gonna go? Yeah, I mean, they might flip to the other side, but good to know that the button works, or the button style charms fit really good on here. So here's this look. Oh, I also tend to only put 3 charms on this one, but I think you could fit a little bit more. So I'm gonna actually grab 2 other mini Muranos to put on here to see how that would fit. Here's the look with adding 2 more Muranos. So this is a 5 charm design. I think I'm gonna stick with 3. I think these are, yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with 3, but good to know how that would look. Okay, the next thing that I've been dying to do is to play with Ohm Beads on here, and I actually haven't done that yet, so let's see if they fit. I have this glass bead, fits good. I have this Give a Heart set that I got as a gift with purchase for, let's put this on the right way, for Black Friday from Great Lakes Boutique. And then this glass bead. Okay, let's take a look. These fit as well. I'm actually, like, as I look at this, I feel like with these glass beads might be better as like a centerpiece just because of the way it's sticking out. But I love this heart on here. I think it's really, really nice. And let's see, it's move around. How's it gonna fall? Okay, it might go upside down, but for the most part, it stays where I want it to stay. So there's another design, and you can see how Ohm Beads would fit on here. Okay, another design I've been wanting to play with is I just recently got these striped Muranos with the help of a friend from a Charm Dreamer. Her outlet had them for an amazing deal, so thank you so much, Rita, for grabbing those. And then I just got this Queen Dangle for Christmas, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to design with this dangle. And I thought these might complement each other really well. Let's see. Yes, I love this design. This is really, really nice, really pretty. I like that a lot. By the way, no, this isn't about these charms, but look at the detail on the side of the Queen Dangle. Can you see the little hearts? And then there's little like dots in between. Then every so often there's hearts. That is, like, I've been asking, I've been hoping that Pandora like would just add some extra detail to their charms, and it looks like they are. They're little hidden hearts. All right, so here's another design. If you've seen Emily's video with Oger Beads, she said they fit on here. So I'm going to play with an Oger Beads design, and we'll put on a Pandora dangle and this one. Those fit really well too. For these Oger Beads, one is a regular size core and one is a small core, and they both fit on here pretty good. I do feel like something's missing from this design, so I'm gonna have to play with this a little bit differently, but for fit you can get an idea that they do fit on there. One of my favorite Troll Beads mini design is right here, and I'm gonna take the glass beads and the heart and put it on the open bangle to see how that would look. It's gonna be 4 different beads, but then we'll see, you know, how does that look on the O pendant, and do Troll Beads fit? I have yet to try Troll Beads. Let's see. Oh, that fits. Get the little heart charm in there. Okay, so this is going to be like an imbalanced design because I have 2 glass beads on one side and the charm in the middle. Troll Beads does fit successfully. What else do we have to play with? I pulled out a few charms. Oh, you guys, I recently got this on sale on Shop Disney. It's the newer Epcot Center Ball, and I just am obsessed with the Epcot Center Ball. So I'm gonna put that on here. On Rue La La, I just got the Mickey 90th birthday dangle. Cannot believe that's already on Rue La La. What else do we have over here? Nothing that really matches. Let's go with this one to match the pinks. Okay. There we go. You guys, I think my like favorite look on the O pendants are definitely a dangle in the middle and then 2 charms next to it. I really like the round charms. I think that looks really nice. And then I also like the designs that I had with the mini Murano. But yeah, either way, like there's so many things that you could do with the O pendants. What I really like about it, let me put the chain back on. One of my favorite things about the O pendant is how you can really take, you know, charms that you might have with maybe they're orphan charms or, you know, a little mini design that you don't really have to fill up a bracelet with, but you really still want to, you know, show your charms or wear them, whatever it might be. And you get to do it on this tiny little O pendant that you get to wear as a necklace, and you know, you don't have to wait for that full bracelet design to be available. So I really like that they came up with this. At first I was a little skeptical of whether or not I wanted to get one, but I saw so much on Instagram and so many pretty designs. I was like, okay, I need to do that. So yeah, I'm really excited about it and hope you guys are enjoying this little mini review / design with me on the O pendant. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, this is the video that is hosting the giveaway for reaching 9,500 subscribers. Again, you guys, thank you so much. And what the giveaway is for is the next charm that was in the YouTube Goals bracelet. So this is the Inspirational Stars dangle. I just love the back. The dream it, wish it, do it saying is so perfect for anybody who, you know, likes to make goals, set goals for themselves. Yeah, whether they're easy to achieve or hard to achieve, whether it's going to take a year or 50 years. I really love this dangle. So don't forget to look at the description below to figure out how you can enter to win this dangle. And that concludes this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. In the comments section below, let me know which design is your favorite, or if you've gotten an O pendant, how you like to design with it. If you are not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all next time.